now that I've uploaded part 1 of Pokemon Violet, let's get back to Legends Arceus.
We're on to do the Obsidian Fields, yeah. I do have a bit of cough. Drank some water wrong earlier. Righto, let's get to it, shall we then? In order to complete this Pokedex of ours, there are a great many research tasks I'll need your help to carry out, my boy. The details of these tasks can be found in the Pokedex for you to reference any time. Research tasks you need to carry out to complete the Pokedex. Each Pokemon species has a different number and a variety of research tasks. Press the down button to open your Pokedex to check what kinds of research tasks are available for Pokemon you've registered. Be focused on wild Pokemon in the field. Using the ZL button, you can also instantly check the research task for the species by pressing the down button to open your Pokedex right to that page. Some Pokemon have some unusual research tasks, so be sure to check them out. You must catch and battle diverse Pokemon species and carry out plenty of research tasks. Do so, and you'll gain research points and other rewards for your work. One last piece of advice, Egg. If you see a wild Pokemon's attack coming your way, dodge like your life depends on it. Dodge? Here, watch closely and remember what I do so you can do it later. Help. That beautiful flowing bit of gymnastics is what we call a dodge. If you're light on your feet, you can dodge out of the way of wild Pokemon's attacks. That way, hopefully you can avoid taking a beating and blacking out in the wilderness. The security corps had to collect me when I got the business of some Shinx' Thundershock. But don't you worry, I've got lots of experience to draw on. I'll teach you plenty. Okay, so why is the dodge button? Dude, I remember when they showed this, like when they were showing Legend Arceus for the first time, they showed that you could dodge roll, and I got like unreasonably excited. It's unfortunate I wasn't recording it at the time, but now let me share some Survey Corp wisdom. Focus on a Pokemon with the ZL button and press the down button to open the Pokedex. You'll see what task you have for that Pokemon. You might have noticed that you have a research task to do with how many Bidoof you've caught. That's right, catching just one isn't enough. You need 2, then 4, then more and more. And when it's time to battle a Pokemon, remember the Captain Switching Wisdom. If you have items out, press X to ready your Pokemon. Give it a try now if you want. I'll go on ahead. Okay. So our task with Bidoof. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so I need to catch 3 of them. Let's go and just throw a Pokeball. Yep, we've got 2 Bidoofs. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with Bildorf since he's the original. But we'll go ahead and catch this other guy. Oh, we got one of the heavy ones too. Oh, we need to beat some too, though. Let's stick with Griffin's. Oh, I didn't mean to. Okay. Yeah, Griffin's getting kind of leveled, so yeah, let's go ahead and switch in Bildorf. We'll have a Bidoof on Bidoof battle. Fight. Roll out. Now we're stuck in war. It's like the regular games, yeah. The wild Pokemon have a chance to not do anything. Okay. I think you've got it. But as a reminder, don't forget to open your Pokedex when you focus on a Pokemon to check your research tasks for it. It's just CL, then down. Try checking your tasks for Starly next. One of your tasks is to catch Starly without being spotted, right? For that task, try catching them while hiding in some tall grass. Okay. I'll go wait for you up ahead. Come catch up once you finish some tasks. Okay. Can I not change order? No, I can't. I'm gonna have Build or Feather ready for the time being. We want to create one because one of our tasks is to catch this. But I wasn't spotted by the other one yet. We stay in the shadows. Okay, without being spotted. The next I need to go there is 5. However, I can also defeat one. Get a Build Orf. Okay. Starly's keeping its guard up. Starly's keeping its guard up. Starly's looking around. Roll out. Starly ran away. Ah. So those are going to be more difficult to beat because they'll try to run. Okay. There we go. Oh, we got him unaware. Okay. Okay, there we go. So right away. Okay. I'm not very good at this. Oh, that's not the one I was aiming for. Hit him with the rollout. Oh. Don't you run, don't you run. Oh, don't you do that either. Roll out. Dude, bro, what's up with this Starly? Literally invincible, what? Okay, there we go. Did I not catch it off where? Oh no. Potions. Bildorf. It's gonna run away, yeah. Dude, that's so hard to, like, fight them. Is there, like, a way to get them to not run? I need to catch one of you. What do I need to do? We need to catch some light specimens you've caught without being spotted. Number defeated, times you've seen it use poison, sting, number you've... Okay. I'm not here. Come closer. Okay. It's so hard to do this with drift. Another. Ugh! Got him. You saw nothing. Drift is so bad. Nintendo, why? I am undetectable. There we go. Oh, I was spotted quite a few times, game. Okay. I need to catch 3. Oh. Someone got a new move. Is it one of the Beedus that, like, I'm not gonna use? Yeah, it was. Does Bildorf have tackle yet? No, he does. Okay. I just missed it. Sneak up. Sneak up. And when he least expects it. I'm undetected. Got him. I am undetectable. Come here. There's a Buizel over there. Around here, you can find a Pokemon called Buizel. It's got an aggressive disposition. That means it'll try to hit you with its move, just like Shinx when you lead a battle to catch it. Speaking of which, your research task for Buizel includes seeing it use a certain move. To be precise, you have to see it use the move in battle. That's right, some tasks require battling. Now, I'll go on ahead. You take care of some Weasel's research test, then come talk to me. Here with Pokemon Smash open sparkling rocks for you. You'll find Tumblestone inside. Same Tumblestones you need to craft Pokeballs. And that is that right there. That looks like the Gigantamax measures. Bildor. Taking on this Weasel. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Sparkler. Oh my god. I don't wanna start a battle. I don't wanna disturb him. That's so cute. Oh well. You're gonna be my friend soon. Oh, just went straight for the quick attack. Fight. Quick attack. I probably should have checked the task ID it was. However, it is just using quick attack. Potion used. There you go, Sparkler. Items. Now let's try to catch it with a Pokeball. One. And got him. Yes. Okay, now then, let's see. If I go to here, is there a way I can... There does not seem to be a way that I can... Okay, I need to see it use Aqua Jet. Let's go and do some mining. Thank you. Sparkler. Oh. Run for a fight. No, with the Thunder Shock. Attack. We're gonna potion. Weasel is looking around. I'm gonna quick attack. I don't want to kill it because I think I need to see. Because I need to see it use something. Oh. Well, number defeated. I need to specifically defeat it with. Okay. Kind of, yeah. Oh wait, I'm starting to drown. How do I stop that? Oh. Okay, so don't go in the water. Okay, none of the Weasels I found use Aqua Jet, though. I haven't used Streak yet. Let's go ahead and I need to defeat another Bidoof. So, oh, that is not what I meant to do. There we go. Dust. Roll out. Uh-oh. Gust. Let's throw it up. It ran away. What's going on over here? There are many strong Pokemon that make their home on the other side of this bridge. I can't let you pass unless you're first star recruit. Then you'll probably be alright. Okay. So that's somewhere we're gonna have to come back to later. I don't see any more Weasel though. I hope she could help me out. So I have yet to see when use the move I needed to use. You're really doing quite well for yourself. Here, a little reward for keeping up with me. Your own crafting kit. You obtained a crafting kit. Crafting kit can contain everything you need for crafting, even when there's no workbench around. However, you can only use materials you have in your satchel. Okay. And here's a recipe for potions, too. Obtain the recipe for crafting potions. So, one orange berry and one medical leaf. Okay. Crafting kit, you can craft any items using materials you have in your satchel. So long as you've got an apricorn and a tumblestone, you can make a Pokeball anytime. With an orange berry and a medical leaf, you can make a potion. So do heal your Pokemon. Alright. How goes your research? The cover of your Pokedex will tell you if there are tasks you finished and can report. Okay, I've got 19 tasks with unreported data. Please report back to Professor Lavington once you've got some research tests good and done. Okay, let's see what all I have that I need to do. Ballot, number caught. You can cut, Times you see use leashes, times you see use times you use air release, times you use strong style moves. Algebra time involved. Same idea, same idea. I imagine I can't find that. I haven't defeated a single Starly yet. They keep running. I'm gonna go ahead and do some collecting to get up some of my team member levels. Okay, that's level 7. Level 7, level 7, level 5, level 5, level 8. Level 6. Let's get you up to level 7. Oh, is the Whirlpool going after me? Oh, it's... What do I need to do with you? Hey, come here. Let's battle a Whirlpool. Fight. Roll out. He also needs to use Phase System. Yep. I think that's something we need to do. Yep. It's been taken out. Oh no. I've been spotted. Oh, that's how I use something. Whoa! Oh, shoot! What do I gotta do relating to you? I haven't defeated one yet. And also I need to see when you fight. So, oh shoot. Let's take him out. Come on, little boy. Fight. Roll out. Thunder shot. That's not fight. Roll out. It's almost down. It's almost down. Tank this hit. Tank this hit. Take this hit. Oh, Bildor! Sparkle coming in to finish the draw. Quick attack. I think I saw a symbol by one of its attacks for a second there. Can I bring back you with just a potion? Probably not. Oh, I'm gonna probably head back so I can heal up. Poor Bildorf. I also kind of want to swap out some of my Pokemon, because, like, I want to use a Weasel. Weasel's cool. I don't know if I'll end up using... Uh-oh. I've been spotted. Which one's seen me? Oh, that one. I'm not interested in a battle, though. I just want to go back. Go up. Okay, that won't work. Oh, we can switch our Pokemon here. Okay, okay. So, firstly, let's bring you onto the team. Or one of those Bidoof. And I'll go ahead and grab you. Also, I could use rest. How long would you like to rest? Just a little while. Hopefully this heals Bildorf. Party Pokemon restored and are happy and healthy again. I got party members I need to name. For Weasel, we are going to go ahead and name Paddle. We're going to go ahead and name Wurmple. Let's go Fuzzy. I probably will not use this Wurmple. Alright, talk to you. Oh, if it isn't a crafting kit. You must have listened attentively to Akari's teaching. Excellent work, dear boy. This seems to be a good time to explain to you about survey reports and the rewards they offer. When you submit survey reports, you receive money based on the level and number of Pokemon you've caught. You receive more money if you fill certain conditions, such as catching a species for the first time. On that note, let me check the research test you've completed thus far. Pokemon caught. 10 or more Pokemon in one report. Achieved. Different Pokemon species caught. Different Pokemon. Pokemon caught for the first time. Pokemon caught using Backstrike. Next. Okay, we got ourselves some money. Nice. I see. Most illuminating. I'll update our Pokedex with this new data. As you carry out tasks and complete Pokedex entries for different species, you also gain Pokemon research points, which you can view in the cover of your Pokedex. Once you've earned a certain number of points, you'll be able to move up through the ranks of Galaxy Expedition Team. Species newly registered, updated, research test completed, species new completed entries, total points earned. Continue. Ah, not quite there yet, I'm afraid. You'll need to complete a few more research tasks before you're ready to go up a rank. I'd recommend you work your way through Bidoof's and Starly's tasks first. Hang in there. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, fight. Let's go with Rollout. Okay, fixating on the reason Rollout. Rollout. Oh. Uh-oh. Hold in there, Bildor. Got him out. 8, 3, 4. Yeah, let's focus on getting as many as we can up to 6. Remember, caught. I can catch some more Bidoofs. I'm undetectable. Stay on the ball. Stay on the ball. Got him. I'm gonna actually go ahead and go put Griffin and Streak in the box for now because they're high level, and I don't want them to get over leveled. Go ahead and throw Griffin at the bottom there. Oh, Sparkler's also, so we'll go ahead and put Sparkler in too. Then we'll throw in just these 3 Bidoof. Okay, now let's go complete our Bidoof mission. Well, we also got some Starly stuff we need to do. I haven't defeated a single one yet. Let's change that. Got the Starly. Oh, we didn't catch it on a where? Fight. Okay. Oh. It's got a thing. It's got a thing next to it. What does that mean? Blow out? It's super effective. Fixating music. Oh, is that like showing how effective it is? Oh, it ran away. I don't know how much I like that mechanic. That's kind of annoying. Yeah, because like now all the other Starly are undetectable. Okay. You caught Starly on a rare. Oh, you probably have to hit him from the back is what it is. Roll out. Like quickly. Fixating using roll out. Power's starting smooth. Okay, roll out. Yeah, that's definitely showing how effective it is. Super effective. We beat one. Now we got Bildorf up to level 7. Let's defeat one more, and then we'll go ahead and head back. Okay, caught him unaware. Yep, that's how it works. You have to hit him from the back. Roll out. Super effective. You defeated Starly. Now we got Paddle up. If I catch another one, then I'll have that one all the way up to the 2. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Gun from the back. I'm just gonna head back. Bildorf is starting to catch up, which is good. Let's see if we've got enough with the quest that we've filled out. So you've got 2 Pokemon. Care to report your findings? Yes. Next. Survey report. We got $207. Which we can actually use that to buy items. Oh, it seems you made some new observations. Let's have a look then. Let's see. Most illuminating. I'll update our Pokedex with this new data. Oh. Plus 50. Oh, that's not gonna be enough. Okay, I still need a fair bit more. Oh, I can return to the village? What does gotta go do? Page Pokemon. Okay, see if I can get some more Bidoof. Do we got stealth mechanics? Will he leave me alone eventually if I hide? You. Yeah, got him. Stay on the ball. Nice. Oh, is that a Drifloon? Let's be careful. Oh, it is on the attack. Oh, it is on the attack. Oh, it's not good. Let's try something else. Paddle to help. Fight. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't think I can have anything that can deal with this yet. Let's go. Let's just go. Let's see. What can I do? Catch it. Caught it. Investigate whether Griffin truly does play with kids.